Hey, this is Robert with Pioneer Smokehouses, and today we have a short little video for you here, and this is the biscuit test on the Char-Griller E1224 Smokin Pro. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open this up. We've preheated the smoker and we're on our way up to 300 degrees. Right now we're at about 275. I'm going to go ahead and set grill mats down on the smoker surface, and these are cut for different things. This one's for cut for the Big Chief, and the other one for the Big Chief, and that one's uncut. So I went ahead and placed those down. Then we're going to get just a package of store-bought biscuits. There's 10 biscuits in a pack here, so you use what you need. For a smoker this large, I'll go ahead and use them all. So since there's 10, I'm going to do 5 per row. So we're going to do 5 just on the other side of the divider. So I think you can see that pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and close the lid down and get the temperature back up as soon as possible. I think this is going to be burning pretty good, but if we open it just a little bit, then what will happen is it'll increase the air and the temperature should shoot up a lot faster than if I just left it closed. So we'll be right back. For you, that'll be 1 second. For me, it'll be about 5 minutes. So it's been a little bit longer than what I was going for because we've been bouncing around at the temperature just under 275. So I think that's where it topped out with the amount of fuel I put in. So I will add a little bit more fuel to get the temperature up, but I think we've got enough information off of this test so that way we can check the results. So go ahead and take a look here. And I don't know how well you can see it, but I'll pop that picture up here and we're going to look at this. Now first I'm going to check this one right here because it's got some nice brown color on it and you can see the bottom. That's really where we're looking here. So I'm going to pop that open and I'm actually going to take a little nibble. Yeah, the outside is completely done just like a biscuit should be. The inside could still go a little bit more, but because it's such a low temperature, it's having a hard time. But that is completely done. So we're just going to go around and inspect these one at a time. Darker, lighter, lighter. Just a little bit darker on this. So this area here is pretty light. The end two were the darkest. And this one here had some color on it. Pretty even heat and cooked. But the best ones here were these two end ones, and these ones. The back one is actually better than the front one. A little brown color there. So what we learned by this is that the hottest temperature is right in here. But something else is that it's nice and even right in the middle. So if we can focus our cooking right in this area and raise just that temperature and avoid the edges, then we'll get a nice even cooking temperature. The biscuit test is just a really good way to check it without moving your thermometer around 20 times. It does work at a little bit higher temperature, a little better, but I've done this on 20 different smokers and it always works really well. So that's the end of the biscuit test, and I hope that you find that helpful and give it a try on your smoker so you can find out where your hot spots and cold spots are. Again, the most important part isn't what the hottest spot and the coldest spot is. It's finding a nice, even balance where you can cook a large piece of food and not burn one end or the other. Also, if you were cooking a brisket and you wanted to hit the thicker side more, you could position the thick side right in the hottest spot. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.